Shane English Boost.
What is the most dangerous animal in the world? Do you know? What do you think is the most dangerous animal in the world? Is it a shark, or is it a lion or a snake? The most dangerous animal in the world is very small, and it drinks blood. It also kills more than 1 million people every year. It is the mosquito. Mosquitoes are small insects. They bite people and make itchy bumps on their skin. Mosquitoes live in many countries. Most people have been bitten by them. But how can these little insects be so dangerous? Mosquitoes are dangerous because they carry and spread diseases. If a mosquito bites somebody who has a disease, they can spread that disease to other people they bite. Some diseases spread by mosquitoes are yellow fever, dengue, and malaria. Right now, there is a vaccine for yellow fever. There are no vaccines for dengue or malaria yet. These diseases are really dangerous, especially for babies. There are many things people can do to stop mosquito bites. People should wear long clothes and use bug spray if they take a walk outside. In the house, it is good if the windows have screens to stop mosquitoes from getting in. Air conditioning keeps mosquitoes away too. People can also put a mosquito net over their beds to stop mosquitoes biting them when they are sleeping. Finally, everybody should share this information with their friends and family too. Did you know mosquitoes can be dangerous? Key vocabulary. The most dangerous. Animal. World. No. Shark. Person, people. Very. Blood. Kill. Million. Insect. Bite. Itchy. Bump. Skin. Country. Carry. Spread. Disease. Somebody. Other. Yellow fever. Dengue. Malaria. Right now. Vaccine. Especially. Baby. Stop. Bite. Should. Clothes. Bug spray. Outside. Screen. Air conditioning. Mosquito net. Over. Finally. Share. Information. Let's talk. What do you do to stop mosquitoes? Do you like insects? Why or why not?